why did you kept on dropping merits of the case to the media?
Well, first and foremost, I think the presumption is not exactly correct. We have been very observant of Rule 18 of the Rules of Impeachment. We have not been discussing or, as you said, extensively discussing the merits of the case. What has been taking place is after the first incident was we simply provided the media a copy of our request for subpoena that we submitted to the Senate, which essentially asked the Chief Justice to be present so that he can give his defense as regards the list that was given by the Land Registration Authority. I think more importantly is what's even more alarming, if I were to add, is that siguro as we speak, in fact, bago kami nagsimula ng press conference, kitang-kita natin si Chief Justice with the mobilization or rally that's being done at the Supreme Court, that he has completely talked about the merits of the case, meaning pinag-usapan niya ang bawat isang charge, bawat isang titulo na kasama o bahagi doon sa subpoena. If you want to talk about somebody who is in direct violation of Rule 18, it would apparently be the Chief Justice himself. We only hope that the same candidness, yung kung gaano siya kabukas at gaano ka maluwag niyang pinapaliwanag yung mga titulo, ay sana gawin niya rin dito sa Senate floor kapag pinatawag po siya ng prosecution.
Sir, to follow up lang, what's your take on comments saying that you have placed the Chief Justice under trial by publicity?
We absolutely beg to differ. Tandaan natin, ang akusasyon dito of the Chief Justice, this is an impeachment proceedings. Meaning, ang pinag-uusapan dito is yung kapakanan ng ating bayan. He is accused of betrayal of public trust. So necessarily, the complainant here is actually the public. Importante nga sinasabi natin sa publiko kung ano nangyayari sa bawat nooks and cranny na nangyayari dito sa kaso nito. Importante na malaman nila because they are the complainants. So, as far as we are concerned, we've been very careful. As far as we are concerned, he is a Chief Justice. When you occupy the most sacred position in the entire government, which is that of the Chief Justice, you have to be ready to be transparent. And that is what is going on now. It is an accountability measure demanding transparency from the Chief Justice.